Welcome back. Now news from sports. In 2010, Amol Satoskar announced himself in the off-roading racing scene not only in Goa but throughout India. A lot is expected of Amol in the annual events like Dakshin Dare and Raid the Himalaya this year as well. Amol has got off to a great start this year by bagging the number 2 spot on the podium in the NVSAG rally in Karnataka. Prudent caught up with the up-and-coming off-roader.
I have here with me Amol Satoskar, name who became a household name after last year with his performances in Raid the Himalaya. Well, a string of second places continues for Amol as he's once again come with some more trophies here. I'll let him tell us about the details. Amol, first of all, congratulations and tell us a bit about the event.
Uh, uh, Actually, this has been my first event of this year, and I'm really happy because being first rally of this year, I placed second. In fact, like no, I missed the first place with hardly few seconds. Like the difference was hardly of 3 seconds and 53 milliseconds.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, Amol, this somehow becoming a little bit frustrating maybe for you because even in Raid the Himalayas, such a esteemed event, you came second. How, as a driver, are you trying to now manage that frustration to channel it out because you're coming very close to the podium finish?
Like I'm practicing now also I had gone to see one track like one of my friend has got a big place in Valpoem, and we are planning to make a track over there, and I can practice there every weekends and all. Okay. And that's how I can build up my rallying career in that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now a bit about this event that you had gone for in terms of distance. How long was the event?
This was a not a very long route. It was 110 kilometers,
Okay.
but there were good participants from all over India, and there were all experienced drivers who were driving in a professional category. I'm practicing very hard to put myself on first this year,
Okay.
and win as much as I can. To place myself first in all the events. Yeah.
Well, if 2010 was a year where Amol Satoskar broke onto the scene with some really good performances in the Dakshin Dare, Raid the Himalayas, and now in NV Sage Rally, which he has just started off 2011 with, we can only imagine how he's going to perform in 2011. Here's wishing you top podium finishes, Amol, and a great 2011.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
As sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Onkar Farari.
Amaron's Karting Challenge Season 3 has reached Goa. This is their 6th venue this year, and once again, rookie school kids will get the opportunity to try out their skills behind the wheel. 500 registrations have been received. There's also good response in the senior endurance categories. Amaron are promising a full Grand Prix weekend experience at Christopher Moraes' Nouveau Kart track.
The Amaron Karting Challenge is one of Maker's race which sees children in the 12 to 16 age bracket take to karting mostly for the first time. Amaron have gone from school to school in 9 centers informing students and obtaining permissions from school principal to get rookies to race in karts. Christopher Moraes' track is the 6th venue of this year's circuit.
But as far as the response from the school principals is concerned, I was very surprised yesterday when I was talking to my events agency. They mentioned to me that though some schools do have exams, they are very enthusiastic, specifically the principals, because they said that their kids had participated in the last season and they had thoroughly enjoyed the experience.
Head Amaron Pro Racing, McKinley Barreto, filled us in with the details for this weekend.
This is the third season of the Amaron Karting Challenge, and we've seen huge amount of response in terms of registrations for the Amaron Karting Challenge, and we believe that it's purely because of the fact there's this higher degree of awareness for motorsport. I mean, the Amaron Karting Challenge this weekend is concerned, we will be having the races starting from 8 o'clock on Saturday, all through the day in terms of the qualifying for the kids. In the evening around 2:30 p.m. onwards, we will have the qualifying for the college and the corporate crowd, the endurance races. And on Sunday, we'll be having the heats for the kids, followed by the grand finals for the corporate endurance, college and corporate endurance races.
So how is Amaron managing to put in this much of finance? Isn't it sort of draining on your own pockets?
Well, I'll tell you what, we have taken a conscious effort to ensure that we invest in the sport through the Amaron Karting Challenge in the first 2 seasons. In fact, this year onwards, we've got sponsors on board, and that's significant because it also tells you that brands are seeing merit of motorsport in India.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Onkar Ferrari.
Floods and extreme weather conditions have caused destruction of houses and killed thousands across 5 countries around the world. Australia, Brazil, Germany, Sri Lanka and US are the countries affected by floods, mudslides and winter storm. With these visuals of nature's fury over the world, we take your leave. Take care and goodbye.